Sound Digital 12K on the subs. Got a 400.2 on the Sundown doors. Got the crossovers, 6.5 in the tweet.
You did this in how long? 24 hours? Oh, okay. I said 24 hours.
No, 6 hours. We built everything in here. The box is already built, but
the C-Max run the whole car, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's no Mark was telling me about it. I said, man, what?
You're welcome. We'll go some a little bit lower.
This on 20K?
12K. But dude, listen, the 12K is turned down so low. If I turn it down anymore, it's off. Well, I was trying to save the subs, and it's just putting out so much.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work.
I don't want to blow the subs.
It ain't gonna work.
But I mean, dude, I wasn't expecting it to
do all of that.
Yeah.
That's why I thought you had some used in here.
I think where I got to take everything out Monday, I think I'm gonna leave the power wire stuff in here. And I'm gonna keep that box. If I want to twist the subs,
whenever you want to ride, yeah.
I told his mom every time that she cried with
SA18. Just some essays.
What type of port you got on there?
You
got
it's a slide all. The port's actually firing up across the back.
Okay, I just heard. I said, man, it's like the side panel was moving on when I heard the window down.
Oh, you get a video of the quarter panels on the outside.
That's what I think. That's probably what she was looking at. The quarter panel moving.
Arts Express is your place for speakers and amplifiers.
The rear quarter panel hates
accessories.
Not as bad as I hate
Plus, you'll get it.
Yeah, they did.
Stock alternator.
No. Charge at 12?
It charges at 14 too. I mean, it drops, but it'll charge at 14.
Yeah. the port is all the way across.
Yeah, port's all the way
Yeah.
across the back. I want to say, if I remember correctly, I built this box over 2 years ago. It was tuned at.
You had it in the
roughly
truck.
32.
You had it in the truck.
This? No, this was actually in a buddy of mine, Scion XD.
Yeah.
He had two DD95 18.
That's loud right there. And the thing is running on stock electric. Now that's
Only thing I have is my battery. That's my baby right there. 135 amp hour Protos.
You claim you got a bad bitch, but do she like girls on the head?
The subs are barely warm.
Oh, you good?
Like all day long. We beat it the whole fucking way here, 2.5 hours.
Boy, that's a big box you stuffed in here, man.
I'll show you
You stuffed it in there.
It just barely did.
Man, you got right past the tailgate. Get back here and check in the box. I could imagine the port was firing back.
Oh, them fucking hats can't happen.
Yeah,
No chance.
it wouldn't work.
I mean, for just some stuff we had laying around the shop, we threw it together, and I'm very happy with the way the outcome.
That cut up, man.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, bro.
Well, check it out.
Bro, I sure appreciate y'all coming to get me, man. That's wild.
Watch, we gonna put it on there right. Oh, shit.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you got this thing sounding good. And that's the one just sold. He didn't sound like that though.
There you go.
Man, appreciate it, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, appreciate it, bro. The battery about that long, right?
Huh?
Battery about this long?
Battery's about like here. It's a mess, but.
Okay, yeah. It ain't take up much space either then. So is there a difference in the cells?
Huh?
Is there a difference in like certain C-Max?